Hello everyone. In this session, today we are going to see about CSS animation, pixel to EM converter, color chooser, and animation also. My name is Anthony and I am from Loyola College, Chennai. Okay, let's begin. So what is animation? Animation is the process of creating motion effects and change the appearance. CSS supported different animation effects to change the event motion. For example, bounce. In bounce there is bounce in, bounce out, bounce left, bounce down, bounce right, etc. etc. and fade in, fade down, etc. and flip out, flip in, etc. So there are different kinds of animation. In animation, it's an element gradually change from one side to other. You can change as many as CSS property you want, as many times you want. To use CSS animation, you must first specify some keyframes for the animation. Keyframes hold what size the element will have at certain state. So let's see what is keyframes and properties of keyframes, etc. So these are the different properties of the animation. Keyframes, animation name, animation duration, animation delay, animation iteration count, animation direction, animation timing function, animation fill mode, and also animation. The different properties are differently used in different browsers such as Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, and Opera. So what is keyframe? When you specify CSS style inside the keyframe rule, the animation will gradually change from current style to the new style at certain time. To get an animation to work, you must blind the animation to an element. So these are where the keyframes are used. For example, if you in the div element, if you want to change the animation from yellow to blue for 4 seconds, the keyframe specifies the colors that from 4 seconds the color of yellow from the change to blue. So next, what is animation duration? Animation duration is the time, how much time the animation should take place. The animation act should be take place. So what is animation delay? The animation delay property specifies a delay for the start of the animation. At what delay that animation should be started or should be started. In the given example, the animation delay is specified as 2 seconds. The 2 seconds specifies that the animation should be started delay after 2 seconds the previous animation is completed. Next, the animation iteration count. The animation iteration count property specifies the number of time the animation should run. Here, in the given example, the animation iteration count is specified as 2. So, the number of times the animation runs is 2 times. Next, the animation direction. The animation direction property specifies whether an animation should be played forwards or backwards or in alternate direction. In the given example, the animation direction is specified as alternate. So, at the given time, at the given point of time, the animation direction will be acted as alternate times. The animation function property specifies the speed curve of the animation. For example, the animation timing function is linear, so the curve of the animation will be linear if given as ease in, ease in, out, etc. etc. The next property is animation fill mode. CSS animation do not affect an element before the first keyframe is played or after the last keyframe is played. The animation fill mode property can override this behavior. This property specifies a style of a target element when the animation is not playing, before it starts, after it ends, or both. In the given example, the animation fill mode is forward. So after completing it, the animation will become forward for completing this animation act. So we are going to see what we have seen in last 5 examples. And before we are going to see summary, again we are going to see animation. Animation tag is used so that we can specify whatever we can do. The example is the name of this animation, and 5 seconds is the delay. Linear is the property of the animation. 2 seconds is the iteration. Infinite is the direction. Alternate is also a direction type. So we see brief summary. Keyframe specifies the animation code. What animation says is shorthand property for setting all animation properties. Animation delay specifies the start of the animation. Animation direction specifies whether an animation should be played forwards, backward, or in alternate cycles. Animation duration specifies how long time an animation should take to complete one cycle. Animation fill mode specifies the style for an element when the animation is not playing, before starts or after it ends, or both times. Animation iteration count specifies the number of times an animation should be played. Animation name specifies the name of the keyframe animation. Animation play state specifies whether the animation is running or paused. Animation timing function specifies the speed curve of the animation. So that's all we've seen about the animation. We are going to see about pixel to EM converter. First of all, what is difference between pixel and EM? Pixel is a static measurement while percent and EM are relative measurement. The size of EM or percent depends on its parent. If text size of body is 16 pixel, then 150 percentage or 1.5 EM will be 24 pixels. That is nothing but 1.5 into the number of pixels. Here 16. The default font size is 16 pixel. So in other words, if we want to convert em into pixels, then nothing but multiply number of em into the size of the pixel, then it will gives the em of the pixels. So next, color chooser. So what is color picker? A color picker is a graphical interface widget usually found within graphical software on online, used to select the colors and sometimes to create color scheme. Basically, the colors is combined of three types, as we know: red, green, and blue. The numbers that given in here also used for coloring. For example, for black, hashtag 00000, for blue, hashtag triple F and GG, for etc etc. In the description, the color chooser and animation links are given. You can go and visit there. Going to see about CSS animation. There are different types of CSS animation, but the basic are bounce animation, roll animation, fade animation, light speed animation, rotate animation. The links and links are given in the description. So please go and visit how it looks like, how empathy and how impressive the animation looks. The bounce animation is nothing but it looks like the ball bouncing. The roll animation nothing but we see in 90s kids like rolling chair, etc. So fade animation is nothing but it comes out of the fade. The lightning speed animation is that it goes like at the speed of the light. That means if we can't even see what's going on. That's the speed. That's the specification of this animation. Rotate animation is nothing but it comes to visible to us by rotating. Comes by rotating side. So, and there are many other animations are available. So go and visit. Please visit the description given below. About the topic today. I'll see you in next session. Okay, bye.